have Greg Brunner. Your first comments on the game?
I thought that obviously the home team had a great rhythm in the first half. They took a huge advantage going into the third quarter, and this is the key of the game. We brought our energy back up, but I think we ran out of gas going into late into the fourth quarter. I give a lot of credit to them because they definitely made huge plays down the stretch. Yeah, I mean, I'm a little bit disappointed because we've been showing some good things, but tonight I think that we took a small step backwards in our approach, and this can't happen for the goals that we have as a team. But I'm really impressed with the other team.
What about your own game? You also started yourself a little bit slow, but then got going. How about the finger? I think I was timid in the first half after tearing the tendon in the hand. I think I was just a little bit nervous about taking the hit, and I took the first nice hit on it, and then after that I realized it's not going to hurt any less than it did. So just, I kind of focused in and played a little bit better in the second half. Now it's a trip back home, and I think you have a very tight schedule at home. Is that correct?
Yeah, we have a very big game coming at home. In these type of events, and then also in our home competition, you have to protect the home court, and that's the #1 goal, and to try and sneak some wins on the road. So that's the thing. If we can protect our house, then we can have a great season. But we can't sit and focus on this game too much. We have to go to the next one.
Chris, something else for Greg?
Was the home team surprise for you?
Oh, I know. I've seen him play enough that I know what he can do, and I was impressed by him. I enjoy guys that play like him because he's similar to me in the fact that he plays extremely hard, not dirty at all. Plays extremely hard and plays basketball the correct way, and especially at 35, I'm impressed. 35 now. 34. 34. I'm definitely still impressed with. I even said to him, I said I didn't know age could jump like that. Still, and like I said, I'm extremely impressed by what he did. And I thought that for a team like this, especially this maybe in a smaller league, they've shown amazing poise down the stretch, and I think that this is a key for you guys' season. If you guys can do this, you're definitely contenders for your league.
Okay, thank you very much, Greg.
Am I finished?
Yeah. Yes,
I can go?
You can go.
Okay.
Home team, Chris Owens, first of all, congratulations for the win.
Thank you.
There was some nice compliments from the opponent later.
Yeah, I mean, he's an extremely hard player to play against. He's a really good post player, can make good moves, and knows how to use his body, so it was good.
What do you think were the key factors for the win for the home team?
I think the reason what helped us a lot is we have a mental toughness. You know, we didn't play as well as we wanted to, but we were still able to grit it out. You know, the guys made several plays that were big. I mean, you could get an offensive rebound, and you know, just playing tough when you're not playing well is a key for us tonight.
You mentioned something that can also be read here in the statistics, that in the league we have been losing almost every game the rebounds. But tonight we won that.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a focus for us, but you don't want to get over fixated on statistics. You want to play the right way and get better. So we're getting better playing rebound with our rebounding, but we just want to get better as a team as well. And you know, it'll get better as the games go on.
Press, anything else for Chris?
You started your season maybe a little bit slowly, but you are getting better and better. Can you make it even better than today?
Yeah, I mean, I can always improve. You know, that's my focus, is getting better. I'm pretty confident, you know, and honestly, I have to give a lot of credit to Coach because he creates an atmosphere where guys can stay loose and focus on getting better as opposed to just getting bogged down with one isolated. Yeah, we played great tonight, but we got to turn around and play again. So we just want to get better each day by day.
Thank you, Chris. Then we go to the coaching side, Mr. Manetti. You must be a little bit disappointed on the result today.
Yes, like all the lost, all the coaches are always disappointed after a loss. First of all, I wanna congratulate Kotka because win the game, because play better. But by first, I wanna congratulate the management, the team, all the people here from Finland, because we find a great hospitality, a fantastic atmosphere, and for me, for the team was really amazing. To play here was a fantastic thing for us. So thank you and congratulations for everything, from the team, from the coaching staff, also from the people that was in the gym. Second, about the game was really simple. Kotka play for the 40 minutes of the game better of us. We have no still 40 minutes of toughness in the game, and we are working on. We are still without our starting point at Cinciarini, but there wasn't the opportunity during the game to bring the game home. We was ready to play because we know that Kotka was a very good team, but wasn't enough, and so Kotka win because play better of us.
What is the next game in the Euro Challenge for you?
We have the Groningen, the next home, so will be tough again. Also because I don't know, depends on the result of the game, but will be a good tournament because for me the level is more or less the same. So every game will be very a factor for to go on the second round.
Would you mention any players on your team who would be able to approve most for the coming games?
We are a team that is still building his chemistry, is still building his season. We come from a really tough game Sunday, a good game, but unluckily not. We don't bring the 2 points in Brindisi. All the team can really improve. So we are step by step. We have work hard. Now Sunday we have a tough game home, and after an Euro Challenge. So step by step we have always to try, and now we have to try to win on the road. That is very important for the cup and for the championship.
You said Kotka was good, but what went wrong with your game today?
We lost in the moment that Kotka was bring the rhythm. We lost completely the confidence in our defense that was working the right way, and especially we lost the confidence in offense, playing with the big hurry, and after details, because the game is decided by details. The technical foul of Troy Bell was a bad things in the game. Some bad turnovers in the game when we wasn't come back in the game and was bringing the game. So there are little details that we have to improve, but like idea we have to be more solid for 40 minutes. This is our target, our focus now at the moment.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Manetti.
Thank you very much. Ciao, coach.
Sitten kotijoukkue, Sami Toiviainen. Meillä ei yhtä englanninkielistä kuulijaa tässä enää, niin nyt me voidaan varmaan ottaa tämä kohta suomeksi. Kaikki pääsee varmasti mukaan. Ensinnäkin onnittelut hienosta voitosta.
Kiitos, kiitos.
Tästä tuli nyt jo monen suusta sanottua varmaan niitä key factoreita, mihin tämä ottelu ratkesi. Meillä ilmeisesti riitti kaasua ja jaksettiin pelata kaikki 40 minuuttia.
Joo, vähän näytti välillä. Siis se toinen puolen kanssa me mentiin, johdettiinko me nyt 11 ja sitten ne tuli tasoihin ja olisi ehkä voinut käyttää aikarisen vähän aikaisemmin, mutta se, että he rupes pelaamaan vähän niin kuin ehkä perinteisempää eurooppalaista korista, että ne ei enää juossutkaan niin paljon, ne pisti pallon sisään joka kerta Brunnerille tai Whiteille ja Ja me taas siinä kohtaa unohdettiin itse se juokseminen ja oikeastaan pelata palloa sisään. Et siinä oli semmoinen niinku huono jakso, että me oltiin pikkusen niinku ulkona siitä, mitä oli sovittu. Muuten niin edelleen jos James White heittää noin hyvin, niin mä takaan, että hän ei kyllä ensi pelissä heitä. Et se oli mun valinta, että me annettiin tietyt heitot. Tietysti ihan vapaasti ei voi ketään jättää, mutta se, että hän heitti paremmin kuin aikaisemmin niin kuin tällä kaudella noissa heidän liigapeleissään ja muuten. Tällaisessa pelissä tietysti joukkue voittaa, joukkue häviää, mutta aina pitää löytyä 1 tai 2 yksilöä, joka niin kuin sit tiukassa paikassa ottaa sen homman haltuun. Tietysti tänään Chrisin jälleen kerran aika huikea esitys. Saro pelasi hyvin, vaikka nyt niin kuin tuli semmoista puolustustakin jo vastaan, missä niin kuin hänkin oli vaikeuksissa, mutta sitten pari näin pikkuasiat, niin kuin vastustajan coachi sanoi. Matisen se hyökkäyslevypallo, tai ekalla puolella miten Homppa puolusti Troy Belliä, se ei päässyt mihinkään. Ja mä luulen, että esimerkiksi katsotaan tilinauhoja ja verrataan vierekkäin, niin siinä on vähän eroa. Niin kuin esimerkkinä. Ja sitten se, että mut kysyttiin ylhäällä, että uskallas mä peluttaa kaikkia. No tänään Aleksi jää vähän vähemmän, mutta se, että esimerkiksi miten Joonas Lehteranta pystyy omassa päässä hoitaa asiat. Hyökkäyspäässä mä en epäilekään, etteikö se saa heiton aina aika, mutta se, että Jonttu ei hävinnyt siellä niitä tilanteita, niin nämä on isoja juttuja nyt. Me ajatellaan, että meillä on nyt perjantai, lauantai liigapelit, meillä on ensi viikolla taas Euro Challenge-pelit, niin että meiltä löytyy oikeasti niitä duunareita tähän meidän niinku. Kuitenkin me hyökätään kohtuun hyvin, vaikka tänään olikin välillä vähän vaikeaa, mutta silti niin niitä pitää löytyä.
Mikälainen ohjelma on tästä eteenpäin?
Se on helppo. Huomenna reenit, torstain pari harjoitusta, perjantai Honka kotona, lauantai Lahti vieraissa, sunnuntain toinen vapaapäivä 3 viikkoa ja sitten keskiviikkona, onneksi vasta keskiviikkona Euro Challenge-peli. Sitten se jää niinku aikaa siihen oikeesti vähän niinku sit taas valmistautua. Tiukka on ohjelma, mutta onneksi on hyväkuntoisia pelaajia, niitä on tarpeeksi, niin me saadaan kierrätettyä vähän sitten. Varmasti Honka ja Lahteen vastaan vähän eri pelaajia.
Mitä Samille